Hey everyone, welcome back to my series where I take food and wine pairing and I flip it on its head. This is Jillian Fontana, and today we're going to start with an awesome white wine, one of my favorite grapes. This is called Viognier, and it's a white grape variety that grows really well in France's Rhône Valley. This is coming from the northern part of the Rhône, and it's a white grape that does well in warmer climates. It tends to have lower acidity and a little bit higher alcohol because of the climate. What I really enjoy about it is its aroma. So it has really nice tropical fruit flavors, oftentimes a nice florality to it, and sort of a round and soft body. All right, so let's see how this one's doing. Oh, delicious. So on the nose right away, I get some tropical fruits. We have some kiwi in there, maybe some pineapple, a little bit of grapefruit, not tropical, but there. And then there's a lot of fresh herbs. It's kind of grassy as well. There's also a little bit of vanilla, and I believe this wine is aged 30% in barrels, so that could be contributing to that. But it really finishes with a really pleasant creaminess that would pair well with a variety of foods that are a little bit richer. So this is made by Christophe Pichon. It's a 2020 Viognier. And I think this is an awesome option for your Thanksgiving table because it's super aromatic, versatile, and pairs with a wide variety of foods. All right, so next we're gonna create a dish that pairs perfectly with this. And I think the direction we need to go, well, let's stick to something seasonal. And this wine can hold up to foods that have a little tiny bit of sweetness to it as well. So let's go with carrots. And to bring in the tropicality of the wine, let's go with lime and a little bit of coconut. So we have carrots, we have lime, we have coconut. Let's create a dish made out of those ingredients that will work really well with the wine. Cheers. Coconut oil, awesome flavor. I love it. Shallots to the punch. All right, so now the carrots, the shallots, and the ginger have to cook down until they're soft. So since we're using the wine, let's just put a little splash in here for a little extra flavor. And while we're waiting, I think a splash for us is appropriate. So you don't want to get any of the white, you just want to get the green. And if you do it this way, you could see exactly what you're doing. And then you just go plop right in, very easy. Half a teaspoon ground coriander for some lovely aromatics. Our milk, about a cup and a half. About a cup of water. And let's bring that to a simmer. So it's been about 45 minutes, an hour, and now the carrots are nice and soft. Because we used milk, it separates and it looks quite disgusting. But do not be afraid. We're going to use our immersion blender and make it really nice and smooth and creamy, okay? Also, if you can't do milk, you can do like a vegetable stock. All right, let's take a taste. It's really good. All right, I think we just need a little pinch of sugar to bring out the natural sweetness of the carrots. And a little fresh lime juice at the end. All right, everybody, moment of truth. So we have the carrot soup with ginger, lime, and coconut. All right, that's really good. You taste all those flavors. Ooh, that is very pleasant. Oh yeah, you get that bright, spicy, gingery note with the citrus from the lime zest. and the creaminess from the whole thing, right? The pureed carrot and the milk. With the wine, it also has a very rich, creamy texture. So the textures match up very, very well here, as well as the flavors. So you have your tropical notes that are in the wine, and then we have lime and coconut in the soup. So you have the lime and the coconut playing with the tropical notes of the wine. I think it works really well together. In terms of body, you have a bit of a richer wine with a richer dish because of the creaminess. That plays really nicely together. A little bit of sweet from the carrot. This is not a sweet wine, but it's not super, super dry either. So I think those two flavors marry really well together. Another sip, another bite. It's very harmonious. It plays perfectly together. I'm super excited. I think we nailed it. Paired it.